Hello everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you can see with me here, I'm having two different types of tapes. The linen tape, that is the 50-meter tape, written up that point, and the 7.5 normal tape, which is common with everybody. This is the tape that almost anybody can use. So for this tape, this 50-meter tape, the linen tape, we have this point here at this edge, this far edge here. This is where we usually take our reading from. Say this is our 0 mark on the tape, and on this other face you have the dimensions in inches and feet. So if you want to take your dimensions in inches and feet, you use this other face. The graduation is done in red color, and the ones in feet are done in black color. And if you turn it around, you can see that you can now be able to take your measurements using the millimeter and centimeter scales. So I'm going to fold that back in and show you another example using the other smaller tape. On this smaller tape, you have this edge here, the metallic edge here. This is our 0 mark from the inside part. This is where our 0 mark is, and you can see this one has been graduated both on the top and at the bottom here. The top dimensions of this tape here, these are just, the graduationing is done in inches and feet. And if you can see here at this point here, the red mark here, the 12, that is just the demarcation for 1 foot. And if you come back down the lower edge of your tape, we have the demarcations in millimeters, centimeters, and in meters. If you pull it long enough, you'll be able to take your reading in meters also. So for today, I'm just going to show you basically how you can take measurements both in inches and millimeters. So I have an object here with me. Say this is our object, which the object that we want to know its dimension. We'll take our tape and the 0 mark, align it to this edge, the edge of the object we want to measure. Take its dimension and pull it tightly, then come where the object ends at the edge end. Here you see at this point you have 425 millimeters, that is 42.5 centimeters, right? So that is the dimension of this board here in millimeters and centimeters. But if you want to take the dimension in inches, the procedure is more or less the same, but now instead of using the lower demarcations, we are going to use the upper demarcations. That is this top here. So as you can see, our object runs from the 0 mark here all the way up to 12, goes past 12 and comes past 16, but does not reach 17. And if you press it firmly, you see it's at 16 inches and some 3/4 inches, and about a 1/4 inch remaining to reach 17. So we'll just say that this is 16 inches and 16 inches 3/4. And you can convert that one into feet by just subtracting 12. So you shall have 1 feet and some 4 inches and 4 inches and 3/4. So that is basically the measurements for this board here, and that is just how you take measurements using a tape. And thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.